Namaskar. Most of us like sweets, right? From our childhood, sugar has been part of every celebration. Today, sugar has become one of the biggest reason behind lifestyle problems like diabetes and obesity. You may switch to natural sweeteners like jaggery, honey, or brown sugar, but they still contain sucrose and glucose, which raises blood sugar level just like regular sugar. So today I am going to tell you more about two wonderful natural sweeteners, stevia and monk fruit. They both give sweetness without side effects of refined sugar. Stevia is a small green herb originally found in South America. Today it grows very well in some part of India too. The leaf of this plant, known as raw stevia, are naturally very sweet, nearly 200 to 300 times sweeter than sugar, with zero calories. Just a small pinch or few drops of stevia sweetener gives you the same taste as the spoonful of sugar. Monk fruit is a round green fruit from China. It is used in traditional Chinese medicines for cough and throat issues. The sweetness in monk fruit sweetener comes from compounds called mobrosides, which are natural antioxidants. So when you use monk fruit as a sugar substitute, you are adding something beneficial to your body. Now let's see why these natural sweeteners are so special. First, both stevia and monk fruit are non-glycemic, which means that they don't raise your blood sugar or insulin level. This makes them very good for people with diabetes. I know some patients with diabetes too who have comfortably changed to stevia sweetener. Second point, they are calorie-free sweeteners. So if you're trying to lose weight or reduce your belly fat, replacing sugar with stevia or monk fruit can really help. You can still enjoy sweetness, but without adding calories. Third, they protect your teeth. We know how sugar feeds bacteria in the mouth and cause cavities. But stevia and sugar from monk fruit reduces bacterial growth. For this reason, some natural toothpaste brands now use stevia leaves extract. Fourth, both have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The mobroside in monk fruit and the plant compounds in stevia will reduce any cellular damage in your body. This helps your skin, your heart, and your immunity. And lastly, stevia relaxes blood vessels and helps to maintain a healthy blood pressure. Now, understand how can we use them. You can add raw stevia powder or stevia sweetener to your tea, coffee, or lemon water. Many people also use this in curd. Monk fruit sweeteners are good for baking or in homemade sweets like laddus, kheer, and even halwa. But please check the labels. Always use pure stevia leaves extract or pure monk fruit sweetener without chemical fillers. Remember, moderation is important. Just because it's calorie free doesn't mean you should overuse it. Our intention is to have a natural sweetener, not to depend on it all the time. Some people notice that stevia leaves a slight bitter after taste, but you soon get used to it. A small trick is to mix stevia with a little monk fruit sweetener. This way, the mild fruity sweetness of monk fruit balances the bitterness of stevia. Then it becomes a taste that is closer to natural sugar. So if you are trying to come out of sugar dependence, take small steps. Over time, your taste buds will adapt and your body will feel lighter. Now I'll give you some more simple tips to manage sweet cravings naturally. Start your day with jeera or methi water. Keep your meal balanced with all these 6 tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent. Try Sitali or Sitkari pranayam to reduce your food cravings and get proper sleep. because lack of rest increases sugar craving. The real sweetness of life doesn't come from a spoon of sugar, it comes from a balanced health and a peace of mind. Choose natural sweetness and let your life stay sweet. Namaskar.